Welcome to ROADTEC. I'm Tim Lewis, Director of Operations. At ROADTEC, we build asphalt equipment that removes the asphalt and puts the asphalt back down. As we gain efficiency in our processes, we are able to pass the savings on to our customers. SigmaNEST has played a large role in helping us with this process.
With SigmaNEST, we're able to track our remnants better. The old way we did it was whatever plate we didn't use, we just cut that off, put it out in the backyard, and whenever we wanted to use that plate, we had to go out, measure the plate, come back in, draw it in the system. SigmaNEST has allowed us to, as soon as the program's ended, we track that remnant in our remnants library. It saves us money there. It also helps us track the scrap utilization better. And there's even a report that allows us to see how our scrap percentage is going. It shows what remnants we're using and how we're using those remnants. And it really, the boss really loves that part.
Thank you for visiting with us today. SigmaNEST has been a partner with ROADTEC for 10 years. Their software lines up well with our business model, and we look forward to working with them for many years to come.